टॉकिंग अबाउट किचन, सारा पावर हमारे किचन में ही होता है,
एब्सोल्युटली।
यू नो, राइट अंडर आवर हैंड्स एंड आवर नोज। तो वो कौन सी कुछ 2 4 5 चीजें होंगी जो कि किचन में है, हमारे पास है, पर हम अंडर यूटिलाइज करते हैं?
I would say three things to begin with.
हम्म।
One is change your flours. Change all the आटाज that you're using. There have been time जब हम wheat use करते थे, खापली wheat आ रहा है, ये wheat आ रहा है, that's all marketing gimmicks.
हम्म।
हमारे millets and the various other atas, that dal atta, there are, amaranth atta that is very high in protein.
या
There are so many other atas that we can inculcate in our chapatis, the basic chapatis that everybody eats every day.
या
हर
द
कोई चपाती
बाजरा,
खा
जवर, जौ,
Yeah.
ऑल ऑफ दैट।
Don't go to the very harsh ones,
हम्म।
जैसे कि बाजरा seasonal है, ये सब चीजें हैं.
सीजनल है,
But
या।
there are so many other atas that can be used 24/7
हम्म।
और आपके फैमिली की adaptability पे भी डिपेंड करता
हम्म।
है. But at least आटा चेंज कर दो, ऑप्शन ही मत दो,
हम्म।
नहीं देना.
या।
Even if your family doesn't welcome millets,
हम्म।
you can add leaves or other vegetables to your normal general wheat ka aata.
या।
You do not have to go to this fancy khapli aata. I do not believe in that. It's very expensive, and the utility I do not get along with.
मतलब खापली आटे में आपको कोई यूटिलिटी दिखी
No, no,
नहीं?
not at all. Normal wheat atta is fine.
इत
हाँ,
हाँ,
a
मतलब
millet
उसमें
atta
और
would be,
नॉर्मल गेहूँ के आटे में कोई फ़र्क
there's
है नहीं?
hardly any difference
हुँ,
for the price that you're asking for.
ओके।
Wheat atta is fine. So chapatis ke atta change kar do. Second thing, the haldi that we are using in our kitchen.
हुँ,
The haldis, if they are from a genuine source,
हुँ,
if they are organic,
हुँ,
if they are not adulterated, the haldi does
या,
wonder.
या,
Because we women have high inflammations due to our hormonal changes and everything, in our stress levels also. So if you are having that haldi water, added a little pinch of black pepper that adds curcumin to it,
हुँ,
that's an antioxidant.
हुँ,
That healthy water would do wonders.
हुँ,
Aapka inflammation and your stress and everything would come down to a good level that you can manage other things.
दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट थिंग इन द मॉर्निंग?
Yeah, first thing in the
फर्स्ट,
morning, or any time you have time
एनी
in the
टाइम इज़
day.
आल्सो ओके?
Yeah, yeah.
ओके,
First thing is atta.
हुँ,
Second thing would be haldi,
या,
coming from an organic source.
उहुँ,
The third thing would be your salt. एक
हुँ,
बहुत ना खराब सिस्टम चला हुआ है कि एवरीबडी इज यूजिंग सेंधा नमक,
हुँ,
ब्लैक सॉल्ट. व्हाई? You will see the cases of thyroid in their families
लो
because
आयरन,
iodine is missed.
या लो आयरन, या, हुँ,
Low iodine की वजह से brain functionings are not
हुँ,
happening well, and then they come up with the symptoms of their kids having lack of concentration.
हुँ,
और आप उनके किचन में हाउस होल्ड में जाकर देखोगे, देयर इज नो टाटा सॉल्ट, नो आयोडाइज्ड टाटा सॉल्ट. सो देयर इज अ वेरी कॉमन मिथ that if when you're diabetic you can't eat rice.
हुँ,
I challenge you can eat rice every day.
ओके,
So what we do generally in our households, हम राइस बनाते हैं बट उसको बॉईल करके उसका जो स्टार्च है वो निकाल देते हैं,
हुँ,
thinking that starch is the main culprit.
उहुँ,
No, starch is not the main culprit. When you're throwing away the starch, you're also throwing away the amount of protein that rice has.
हुँ,
Rice and dal are generally cooked together to make it a complete protein source.
या,
So
व्हिच
when
इज़
you're
व्हाई
throwing
खिचड़ी इज़
away,
सो गुड।
yeah,
या,
when you're throwing it away and you're throwing the proteins away, you're actually reducing proteins from your diet and increasing carbs.
हुँ,
So the insulin spike would be more when you're throwing protein away. When somebody is a diabetic and
उहुँ,
they love eating rice and they say कि rice तो हम खा ही नहीं सकते, I tell them there's a way. Keep the water inside intact, cook it in some oil. So adding fat to your carbs, is better for a diabetic.
ओके,
Then while boiling your rice, the jeera rice जो हम कढ़ाई में normally बनाते हैं,
हुँ,
add a few curry patta leaves.
हुँ,
That would reduce the glycemic load
हुँ,
that the rice would put on your blood. ठीक है? That would give
हाँ,
you lesser insulin spike. Also, if your rice are pre-cooked,
हुँ,
5-6 hours pre-cooked, or maybe a day before uska rice that you've kept in refrigerator and you're heated it up again and you're eating it now, that also reduces the insulin, the GI load, glycemic load. So that is very good to eat.
क्यों उसमें क्या होता है?
Glycemic load कम हो जाता है.
पर पहले बनाया, 6-8
पहले बन
घंटे पहले
हाँ
बनाया,
हाँ
उसको रख दिया।
उसको रख दिया, उसको फ्रिज में भी रख दिया और उसको आपने नेक्स्ट डे यूज भी कर लिया वार्म करके, उसका ग्लाइसेमिक लोड आपकी इंसुलिन स्पाइक पे कम हो जाता है, आपके शुगर के ऊपर कम हो जाता
कंपेयर टू फ्रेश।
है कंपेयर टू द फ्रेश राइस दैट
सो
हैज
मतलब
हाई
उसको
अमाउंट ऑफ
रखने के
कार्ब्स.
बाद उसके
या
अंदर कुछ चेंजेस होते हैं
उसमें जो चेंजेस होते हैं उसके कार्ब्स का अमाउंट जो है, उसकी कार्ब्स की इफेक्टिविटी कम हो जाती है. So that's how it is completely safe for you to eat.
सो इट्स बेस्ट कि अगर थोड़ा-सा पुराना बना हुआ, सुबह का बना हुआ शाम को खा लिया,
सुबह का बना हुआ
शाम का
शाम को खा
सुबह
लिया,
खा
इवन
लिया।
एक रात पहले की रोटी भी in this weather you can easily have.
हुँ,
So there are kids who just want to, you do just have to rush to, you know, work and they do not have time to cook. I tell them एक रात पहले की चपाती बनाओ, उसको
हुँ,
मॉर्निंग में वार्म करो, उसके ऊपर चटनी लगाओ, थोड़ा सा पनीर और अंडा रखो, roll it and have it.
हुँ।
There's protein, there's fiber, there's pre-cooked carbs.
Speaking of vitamin D, is it okay to take the supplements?
Vitamin D is made in our body with the help of sun and our kidneys. हो सकता है kidneys are not working to make vitamin D. You have the soreness, you have
हाँ।
pain, you have disorientation and everything. But you know, you're taking vitamin D for a very long time and you haven't checked your levels. So the toxicity has the same symptoms as the deficiency.
Ouch.
My daughters, in fact, she was 9 only at that point of time and her triglycerides were 250. One doctor once said to me, he said, why don't you accept that you have this disorder? These things will keep happening with you throughout your life. In tuberculosis, we give arsenic. So arsenic is a poison. Poison cuts poison. If you do not have the disease in your body and you're given that medication, that would only create something else.
Yeah.
I was on chapati, ghiya ki sabzi and curd for 8 years.
What about oil? Oil and ghee.
I generally recommend 3 oils, which is non-veg food that has more bacteria germination. उसको फ्रिज में रख के रीहीट करना and cook करना is not advisable.
Lot of people say कि कर्ड को खाने के साथ नहीं खाना चाहिए, खाने के बाद खाना चाहिए. What do you think? So there's atta, there's haldi, there's namak. What about oil? Oil and ghee.
See, I think oil के बारे में अब काफ़ी awareness हो चुकी है. People know fried नहीं खाना है. People know कि you know
Refined नहीं use
refined
करना.
oil नहीं खाना है. So I generally recommend 3 oils, which is desi ghee, the homemade desi ghee, which has less probability of being adulterated.
Yeah.
Second is कच्ची धानी सरसों तेल, and the third is olive oil. अब olive oil को लेके भी people have this judgment कि you know बाहर का है,
Yeah.
ये अंग्रेजों का है, ये है वो है,
और
but it's
उसमें भी
not.
तो अभी कई सारी varieties आ गई हैं.
Yeah, so
you know.
pomace olive oil is fine for cooking. हमारे यहाँ इतने ज़्यादा salads नहीं बनते हैं जिसमें हमें oil डालना है. And why to add oil when we have in our you know Indian diet में अच्छा खासा fat level होता है, तो और इसमें क्यों डालना है? So these are the 3 oils that I recommend generally. इसके अलावा बाकी जो भी है सब marketing gimmicks है. किसी oil में कुछ ऐसा extra नहीं है जो आपको लेना ही चाहिए.
लेना ही चाहिए. Yeah.
And for frying, once when you have to do it, like you know कोई occasions होते हैं और frying करनी ही करनी है, so it's better to go for seed oils.
Seed oils, no? So any of the peanut oil
Yeah.
or any of
Yeah.
that is good
Sunflower
enough.
seed oil, peanut oil.
All that is good.
Yeah.
What about coconut oil?
Coconut oil has an acquired taste, and it doesn't suit to all the you know people जो जिनका एक South Indian side पे you know we have the habit of having it peanut oil and coconut oil, but all food types के साथ coconut oil doesn't go well.
Doesn't go, yeah. सब चीजें उसमें कुक होके टेस्ट नहीं
Cook
आता
okay,
है.
and we all go by taste. You know.
Yeah, taste is finally the thing. और ये इसी चीज को फ्रिज में रखना और निकाल के हीट अप करना किस हद तक ठीक है, एक्सेप्टेबल है? ऑफ कोर्स वेदर पर्सपेक्टिव एक बात अलग है, पर अगर वही चीज आप बाहर रखो और खराब ना हो रही हो वर्सेस आप फ्रिज में रखो और यूज करो, व्हाट्स द डिफरेंस?
See, vegetarian and cooked food को फ्रिज में रख के for a certain time reheat करना and reuse करना is still fine.
ओके.
Non-veg food that has more bacteria germination, उसको फ्रिज में रख के reheat करना and cook करना is not advisable.
तो उसको एक ही बार में खा लेना
उसको
चाहिए.
once and there खा लेना चाहिए. Even egg के लिए भी we say कि 30 minutes में जो boiled egg है उसको consume कर लेना चाहिए because bacteria germinates in it.
सो नॉन-वेज फूड को आइडियली स्टोर नहीं करना चाहिए, कुक्ड को. फ्रेश बनाओ, फ्रेश खाओ, खत्म करो. वेजिटेरियन इज स्टिल ओके.
Vegetarian is still okay,
Still okay.
depending upon the weather and the type of food that we are consuming. मीठा certainly not.
व्हाट अबाउट इट?
अगर आपने खीर या हलवा बनाया और उसको हम बार बार फ्रिज में रख के और बार बार रीहीट करके कर रहे हैं, that is not good.
सो ये
Because
सब
मीठा
फ्रेश. Yeah.
gives the bacteria a good environment to germinate
if kept longer.
if kept longer.
So the bacteria just grows and
Yeah,
becomes more
moisture
strong.
moisture, sweets, and the heme that is there in non-veg foods.
सो ये मीठा और नॉन-वेज फूड्स में क्योंकि बैक्टीरिया कंपोनेंट हाई होता है, तो वो ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम
Chances of
मल्टीप्लाई करता है.
bacteria germination high होता है.
जर्मिनेशन हाई होता है और वो ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम वो ऑब्वियसली जितना
बार-बार
टाइम हम
गर्म
देंगे वो
करके,
बढ़ता जाएगा. एंड दैट
Absolutely.
वो हमारी बॉडी को नहीं चाहिए.
No, not at all.
ओके, सो ये आप एक बोलते हो कि राइस इज गुड, जो आप
Mhm.
बोलते हो
Mhm.
आपका तरीके में. और क्या आता है?
This chapati, normal chapatis are good. First thing that a diabetic or somebody who's insulin resistance should add to their diet is carbs का amount should be calculated as per their if they're on insulin or not. उसके हिसाब से carbs का amount is calculated different from normal human beings. उसके बाद first thing comes is fat. Inclusion of good fat in their diet that delays the insulin spike when carbs reaches the blood. So fat पहले पहुंचेगा, insulin has time to react, then carb को वो फटाफट से absorb कर लेगा after digesting fat.
राइट.
So the delayed part जो आ जाता है ना because of fat, that is very important. That is the same thing that happens with fiber. अगर हम फाइबर भी ऐड कर देते हैं तो ये और डिले
और
हो
डिले
जाता
हो
है.
जाता है.
सो सिंपल कार्ब्स को अवॉइड करके थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्ब्स दैट इज मिलेट्स एंड फाइब्रोसिस थिंग्स, सो वो ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल है.
सो अगर आप एक जस्ट इस टॉपिक को कंक्लूड करने के लिए एक समरी में बताओ कि अगर वन इंडियन मील, what should a good Indian meal look like which has all of it, like जो आप बोल रहे थे ना सबके लिए अलग अलग बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है ना. तो सपोज घर में कोई हाइपरटेंशन का से डील कर रहा है, कोई डायबिटीज से डील कर रहा है, कोई थायराइड से डील कर रहा है, कोई जस्ट ओल्ड एज से डील कर रहा है, और कुछ यंगस्टर्स हैं जो स्पोर्ट्स एथलेटिक सब चीजों में इन्वॉल्व हैं और उनका न्यूट्रिशन नीड अलग है, बट घर में खाना एक ही बनाना है बिकॉज बनाने वाली वर्किंग मदर है, राइट. तो क्या बनाया जाए या क्या उसके कंपोनेंट्स हों जो ध्यान रख लें एंड इट शुड बी गुड फॉर ऑल.
See, the basic mantra is to simplify the diet.
ओके.
One diet that उसकी उसकी suitability to everybody is different,
Yeah.
but वो दिखनी एक जैसी चाहिए. घर में एक ही खाना बन रहा है, वो सब लोग खा रहे हैं. Now how your plate should look like? So let's say divide your plate mentally into 4 parts.
Okay.
These 2 halves must be the raw or cooked vegetables. It can be your seasonal vegetables जैसे आलू मेथी हो गया या मटर मशरूम हो गया for example. Salads हो गए जो raw हैं. Half should be that.
Okay.
The other 2 halves are left now.
Yeah.
One should be your lean proteins. The best sources of protein are animal proteins. Vegetarians के लिए दूध दही पनीर, animal proteins because they're complete proteins.
Okay.
Non-vegetarians के लिए there are so many options. The second half, the half of the second half should be your carbs. Carbs should ideally be your complex carbs. ठीक है? Which are like millets. चपाती बना रहे हैं तो बेसन की चपाती बना ली, अगर किसी को मिलेट की नहीं पसंद. ज्वार is a 12 months.
12 all year round.
Amaranth is there. It's very tasty.
Yeah.
There's horse gram. There's everything that if we start inculcating today in our daily routine, धीरे धीरे adaptability बढ़ती जाएगी. So 2 halves full of vegetables, raw or cooked. 1 half is lean proteins, जिसमें animal sources के साथ दालें आ गई vegetarians के लिए, सोया आ गया, न्यूट्री आ गई, टोफू आ गया, so many other sources, sprouts आ गए,
beans,
तो हमारी normal दालें हो गई.
Yeah.
The other half is your complex carbs.
एंड जो जैसे सैलड है, सो कच्चा सैलड सबको सूट नहीं करता है,
नहीं करता
है ना. देयर इज लाइक आई मीन एज पर आयुर्वेदा देयर सम प्रकृति जिसको कच्चा बिल्कुल ही सूट ही नहीं करेगा.
See, not even with as per Ayurveda, but if you have gut issues, if you have absorption issues, if due to some reason your gut's lining is perforated or it is not absorbing your nutrients well, that comes in your blood work. That is why I get it done. So it's better to steam your salads. It's better to either have fermented salad. Like हम कांजी बनाते हैं, तो कांजी में जो नीचे बच जाती है बीटरूट या काली गाजर, that's fermented. We can otherwise also ferment it. There is so much knowledge available on Instagram.
Yeah.
So fermented food adds to the pre and probiotic qualities of the food.
Yeah.
And if you're adding curd in our dinner or in our lunch or in our breakfast, dinner में भी curd खाई जा सकती है, that's a myth कि नहीं खाई जा सकती. So if you're adding curd to our meals, that adds to protein and adds to probiotic as well. If it's taking care of your gut, it's taking care of your brain as well. So adding curd, this was the 4th superfood that I was about to talk about. The power of this simple superfood that we do not realize in everyday life.
Dahi.
The bowl of curd. The bowl of curd, the bowl of green chutney. The green chutney, do you know the green chutney that has amla, dhania and pudina is equivalent to a iron capsule. You keep eating that आधी bowl green chutney in every meal of yours, you will never have iron deficiency.
सब कुछ होता है उसी के अंदर ही.
Mm.
So कर्ड के साथ में another thing is that
Mhm.
a lot of people say कि कर्ड को खाने के साथ नहीं खाना चाहिए, खाने के बाद खाना चाहिए. What do you think?
Who has this much time?
हाँ वही
आपको
ना.
खाने के बाद 15-20 मिनट्स बाद अगर मैं एक डिटॉक्स वाटर या एक इन्फ्यूज्ड वाटर दे दूं, you miss that out because
हाँ
you do
याद ही
not
नहीं
have time.
रहे.
Everybody is
बिल्कुल.
rushing.
Yeah.
So it's fine to have it with your lunch. Think of it as your protein source.
बट कॉन्फ्लिक्ट नहीं करता है जो हम नॉर्मल एक सब्जी डाल रहे हैं उसमें हमने थोड़ा मसाला डाला है कुछ डाला है एंड देन यू हैव दही
No.
इट डजंट
Not
कॉन्फ्लिक्ट
as per nutrition science. Maybe as per Ayurveda, but not as per nutrition science.
बट आई मीन एज पर योर
Yeah, it's
रिकमेंडेशन
fine.
यू
It's
यू थिंक
absolutely
इट्स
fine.
टोटली ओके
Absolutely.
टू डू
People who
दैट.
have IBS, people who have gut issues, people who have, you know, fermented food का tendency है उनकी gut में stay करने का, constipation की, उनको मैं definitely देती हूँ breakfast और lunch में
Yeah.
100% curd होना ही चाहिए.
Yeah.
I don't give them curd in dinner because I want their dinner to be lighter. I
Just
don't want
to be easy
yeah,
on the
yeah. So I
stomach.
don't give a lot of options in the plate. There are a few good things that we've also, you know, learned from Ayurveda,
Yeah.
like, you know, adding pepper to haldi.
हाँ.
If we're benefiting something out of it, see, आज के time में
Hmm.
Ayurveda says last 7 बजे या 6 बजे,
खाना
6:30
खा
बजे
लो.
खाना खा लो.
हाँ.
But if you're awake till 2 and
Yeah.
you're starving yourself,
Yeah.
and then you're ending up binging on a packet of chips before
Point क्या हुआ
sleeping.
फिर? Yeah.
So people who are having dinner at 6:30, they must sleep by 8:39.
Yeah.
If you can manage that and you can manage waking up at 5 in the morning, follow
Perfect.
Ayurveda. It's fine.
So you said that when you were cooking all sorts of foods and then you realized that it wasn't not really helping your family. But what were those signs that you observed wherein you felt कि ये अच्छा तो नहीं है? क्या देखा?
So there were weight gains in all the members of my family besides me. There were weight gains. My daughter started showing signs of early puberty even when she was 9. So that was like alarming for me. Doctors said that, you know, we've given a lot of exposure to our kids, you know, at this age of internet because, you know, it was inevitable at that time because online learning was there. But I thought, no, it's not that. It is something else too. There was this kind of food that I was serving to them in the name of happiness, you know, and they were craving for more and more unhealthy food every day. There were demands, there were recipes from there, and you know, there were groups, family groups, everything was shared in the groups, and somebody was trying golgappe at that time, ghar pe banana, somebody was trying something else, and what I noticed was nothing out of that was healthy. And we were consuming it in the name of good family time, or you know, we're doing something good to make our families happy. But that was very superficial happiness, which was actually causing a lot of health issues. My husband's cholesterol shooted up to I can't even remember it.
Really?
And it was so alarming. My daughter's, in fact, she was 9 only at that point of time, and her triglycerides were 250. Yeah. And she had early puberty. So we had to stop it by giving her, you know, injections to postpone the puberty because she was only 4'8" in height.
God.
So
what do you think खाने में ऐसा क्या था?
खाने में there was high amount of carbs and totally fried, and Chinese में MSG was there. He was using all that. And there were bigger meals, and throughout the day there were meals and meals and meals. No exercise, no workouts, no movement.
So even though घर का बना हुआ था,
yes,
but point here is कि Chinese बना रहे हो तो MSG तो use होगा, you know, या the kind of oil fry कर रहे हो, इतना सारा fry कर रहे हो, तो घर का था, but फिर भी in such a short span of time.
How much are you eating is also very important. The portion size is very important.
और उस time पे तो frequently करने को नहीं था तो खाली बैठ के खाए ही जा रहा.
That was the only dopamine we could give our brains to.
Yeah.
To deal with the stress that the food dopamine, that's the unhealthiest.
Wow. So जब आपको ये और आपको खुद पे भी ये signs दिखे.
My inflammation was shooting up like anything. I had developed so many infections, and again my doctors were relating it to my autoimmune. Like, you know, I had multiple fungal infections, and even if I was not going out, I had constant cold and cough, even staying at home, and they were like relating it to my autoimmune. They were saying कि आपको autoimmune तो है ही, so your immunity is weak, so it's okay, you accept it. There's something that one doctor once said to me, and that actually hit me very hard. He said, "Why don't you accept that you have this disorder? These things will keep happening with you throughout your life." I said, "ये acceptance तो मैं
ये
नहीं
तो
करने
नहीं हो
वाली."
सकता.
Let it happen to me, but it won't happen to my family. My daughter will not lose her childhood so soon.
Yeah.
So we'll
बट
deal
इसका
with it.
कनेक्शन ही क्या है?
इसका कनेक्शन है ना, if you're eating a
आपको है अगर
Hmm.
ऑटोइम्यून का कोई भी तो उससे फैमिली पे
See,
इम्पैक्ट है ना?
autoimmunes are generally only a few % of it is inherited.
Yeah.
But in my case, I did not have inherited from my parents or anybody who's biologically connected to me.
Right. So ये आपका इंडिपेंडेंट है.
Exactly. So doctors का एक थोड़ा सा I believe होता है कि जो उनको नहीं लगता कि they can answer promptly, they put it on ऐसा ही होता है, accept it. So acceptance करनी है नहीं करनी, that depends on us.
Right.
I don't want to see my family like this.
Yeah.
So that completely changed my household. Today, if you see the pictures of my family then and now, you won't recognize any of them.
And I'm sure it's on the greater side.
Of course.
Of course. And it's what, 5 years?
Yes, it is.
You know? So like there's one year of damage. Kitna,
Not even 1 year, I believe a few months only.
few months of damage.
But
that
was
was a
very
lot of
soon
damage.
realized. And then I started sending the healthy recipes in the family groups, and they were like, okay, fine, ये पागल हो गई है.
इसको suddenly कुछ हो गया है.
But I believe like COVID had changed people's life in financially, in a good or in a bad way. It changed my life tremendously in a very positive way.
No, because I think was आपने reflect कर लिया ना. You were playing along, but then also एक
I learned
reflection
and I
आया.
realized that I can change it. What best can I get out of it?
और वो realization आना कि जो हो रहा है वो ठीक नहीं हो रहा है. That's easier said than done.
And then changing that pattern, सबकी plate में से वो unhealthy food निकाल कर healthy वाला डालना, and convincing them all that what everybody else is doing is not right, and what I am telling you to do is right today and will be very good for you in future. That was the most difficult part.
हाँ, मैं वही सोच रही हूँ कि ये खुद पे implement करना एक चीज होती है, but how did you enroll?
Because I think my education at that time helped me in that. When they all saw me studying hard and learning something from a reputed place, and then telling it to them with the scientific facts, that's when they adapted it.
सही बात है, वो trust build हुआ ना.
Like a mother or like a wife, I had said कि ये नहीं खाना चाहिए, वो खाना चाहिए, they wouldn't have taken it that easily. But when they saw that I was taking a professional learning on it, and I had points to prove, I had examples, then it worked.
Then it made sense. So just to understand, you said you have the autoimmune that you have is
Crohn's disease.
So कैसे recognize होता है ये?
So there's only 1% of Indian population that has it, and not too diagnosed. This actually manifests like ulcers. Ulcers in your intestines. They're actually ulcers, but they're non-treatable.
Okay.
They can only be suppressed, but they cannot be removed or treated. So if they're triggered again and again by the inflammation that is generated in your body, or by the stress, or by the food that triggers it, they would keep perforating the lining of your gut, and the absorption of multiple nutrients would be less, and there would be like diarrhea, there would be episodes of bleeding in your stools, there would be weight loss, there would be evening fevers. There are a lot of symptoms that can be seen. The extreme symptoms when it is actually active. It's in active mode. But when diagnosed, and initially if the condition is very bad, you put on some steroids to deal with it at that point, and then you're put on immunosuppressants and antacids for the rest of your life.
आपका diagnose कैसे हुआ?
So I had been suffering from this for quite a lot of time. As far as I remember, I was 17 and I had this acute stomach pain, which was diagnosed as tuberculosis, which was not tuberculosis. I was given a treatment of 3 months for stomach tuberculosis once. And when I was 21, the same symptoms occurred. And again, I was, in the suspicion of tuberculosis. I was again given tuberculosis treatment. And right after the treatment was over, I was pregnant. And my doctor said that if you had tuberculosis at that point, you could not be pregnant. So the medication that I was given at that time were actually not, in tuberculosis we give arsenic. So arsenic is a poison. Poison cuts poison. If you do not have the disease in your body and you're given that medication, that would only create something else.
Yeah.
So this was like medicine induced mainly.
Hmm.
But of course, the previous episode was not medicine induced. That was my childhood trauma and the suppressed memories and suppressed emotions that I had. So this was mistreatment, and 2 times arsenic treatment actually kind of sabotaged my whole intestines and my digestive system. Then pregnancy, and then dealing with the life the way it comes. The symptoms were very worse. I was having stomach infections every now and then. Even if I eat home cooked food and the very minimal spices wala food, the symptoms were always there. And I was hospitalized every 2-3 months for acute stomach ache, bleeding stools, and weight loss and everything. My whole family life was like gone for a toss.
Oh God.
I had small kids, but I could not manage anything. Support system bhi kitna kaam karega.
हाँ, रोज की बात हो जाती है ना.
Yeah, there came a point when after taking multiple courses of antibiotics, I was not coping up with this. So one of the doctors diagnosed it as some high inflammatory disease, and he got me tested for it, and it was positive. So that was the day when I was very relieved, because earlier whenever tests were done for anything and everything, they used to come very clear. And
सब
हर
ठीक
कोई
है जी.
मुझको ये बोलने लग गया था कि तुझे कुछ नहीं है.
Hmm.
It's just in your head. कुछ भी नहीं है. That was even more painful because I
Yeah.
was feeling it inside my body, and I was dealing with it.
Hmm.
So now you know who your enemy is.
Yeah.
You can prepare yourself better. You can deal with it better. So I was on very basic food like chapati, ghiya ki sabzi, and curd for 8 years. That was the only food that I used to eat, because nothing else was told to me would digest. But there came a point I met a dietitian who cleared all the myths, and she told me, you can eat everything. You just need to know and see the signs of your body, what suits you and what doesn't suit you. Autoimmunes have everything to do with inflammation and stress. So they were the two things that I was supposed to take care of. And that's how my medicine, the steroids stopped, and my disease went into remission. And since then, for past 15-16 years, it is in remission. So that's
nice.
how I realized how I can help people.
So nice. God bless her.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks to her.
That, it's always this one masiha,
Yeah.
who comes in.
She made me eat everything. And that's how I now tell my clients ki eat everything, but know what is good for you and what is not.
But ये कैसे पता चले?
ये ऐसे पता चलता है कि आप अपनी बॉडी के साइंस को हमेशा इग्नोर करते हो. If you're drinking coffee 3 times in a day and you're thinking that it is keeping you awake, then what is making you lethargic? Why don't you focus on that? You know the side effects of coffee, but you do not know why you need coffee. Let's go back to the root cause. Treat that, understand that, and understand your body.
Beautiful.
We have to come in, one-on-one with our body, and don't listen to others. वो आपको क्या बता रहे हैं कि आपकी body क्या बता रही है. ऐसा तो हमारे साथ भी होता था, ऐसा तो हमने भी किया था. Old times, old practices just do not happen now.
और किसी और का suggestion भी doesn't work for.
We're all different
सब अलग हैं.
individuals. सबके genes अलग हैं, सबकी body बिल्कुल different है.
Yeah.
किसी की भी मत सुनो, सिर्फ अपनी body की सुनो. The day you'll get in touch with your own body and you'll get connected with your own body, all 3 levels, physical, mental and emotional,
Yeah.
you will be completely on your own.
Yeah. So जब आप बोलते हो कि know your body, am I correct in saying that usually it happens so late in life, or with your clients you see it
I
early?
disagree with that. I believe our body speaks to us every day, especially at these 2 times when we wake up and before we sleep. These are the 2 times our body is very vocal about itself. So I ask these basic questions from the clients who come to me. Do you have soreness in your body in morning? Do you not feel like getting out of the bed? Do you have a bitter taste in your mouth? And do you feel disoriented? याद रहता है आपको आप पिछले दिन क्या सोच कर बैठे थे कि आज आपने ये सब करना है? आपकी बॉडी में कहीं कोई पेन है, रात को भी जब आप करवट बदलते हो तो जिस साइड आप लेटे हो ज़्यादा देर उस जगह दर्द है, या आपका माउथ बिटर है. All these signs are related to the symptoms in your body's inside functioning. Like if you have soreness in your body, there may be some deficiencies, calcium deficiency or vitamin D deficiency, or maybe B12 deficiency as well.
सोरनेस को कैसे समझेंगे
Soreness is the pain, the
कि टच किया और दर्द
no,
हो गया
it's gnawing pain, मीठा मीठा दर्द,
मीठा मीठा
not
दर्द
very acute pain,
हम्म
but it's there, जो आप थोड़ी देर करवट लेने के बाद normalize भी हो जाता है. अगर ऐसा pain है,
हम्म
so there would be deficiencies of vitamin D and B12 probably.
okay.
And if your mouth is bitter in the morning and it is there's a very foul smell, morning में सबकी होती है generally, but if there is a very foul smell, then bitterness can be connected with your acidic levels. If your mouth is bitter, there may be chances that you have acidity, and if you have acidity, then it can correlate with your gut not
Gut.
being cleansed.
हम्म
So there may be constipation symptoms as well.
हम्म
So these two things, and if you are disoriented or you have brain fog early in the morning as well, where when your brain should be very much alert,
हम्म
then these are the signs of you being anemic or iron deficiency.
हम्म
ये सारे signs जब सारे deficiencies होते हैं, vitamin D deficiency, B12 and iron, then there's a problem in your gut.
okay.
Because mostly these kind of patients tell me that we are eating everything normal, जो भी घर में बनता है, रोटी सब्जी दाल हम सब खाते हैं, सैलेड भी खाते हैं, still हमारा deficiencies क्यों है? There is problem in their gut, and your gut has something to do with your brain, because your gut is your second brain. If there's something wrong with your brain, then your gut is paying the price of that. So then you have to go to that level, and if I've dealt with you on counseling sessions and I've understood your problem and I've guided you on that, you're doing those practices and still nothing is working, then the problem is in your past. But your body speaks to you every day. Like right after this podcast, if you get up from this chair and I have a bad soreness in my back, either I've done some postural mistake or there are some supplements, vitamin D mainly, that I've forgotten to take. So these are the signs that we have, but we say it's okay, yaar, ye to hota hai, fine.
So vitamin D, like we say कि city में तो सभी का
The
deficient
whole
होता
globe,
है
the whole globe is deficit in vitamin D.
क्योंकि obviously we're not taking it from the source तो हम so then speaking of vitamin D, is it okay to take the supplements?
See, even if we are taking it from the source, even if we are sitting in sun for 15 minutes every day, it is not necessary that we, make we can intake the right amount of vitamin D, because vitamin D is made in our body with the help of sun and our kidneys. If you're using different sorts of sunscreens that are actually necessary for our body, तो हो सकता है absorption ना हो सकता है kidneys are not optimally working to make vitamin D. So agar vitamin D ke levels are low, there's no other way that you have to take it, and you have to take it.
And it's okay to take it.
And it's okay to take it. But again, you must know that you are deficit in it, because the deficiency and the excess have the same symptoms. In case you're deficit in vitamin D and you're taking you have the soreness, you have pain, you have disorientation and everything, but you're taking vitamin D for a very long time and you haven't checked your levels and you are excess in it now. So the toxicity has the same symptoms as the deficiency.
Ouch.
Yes. So you have to watch your intake. You can't just take it yourself. You have to get tested.
हाँ वही मतलब फिर तो
test is something. See, test is something that is the basic first step of anybody before taking a session with me. So that is what is mandatory. मैं टेस्ट के बिना बात ही नहीं करती, because I know कि लोगों को टेस्ट कराने से I don't know इतना डर क्यों लगता है कि because I think it's a report card, that you'll see and you'll get to know कि हम कहाँ weak हैं, and then you'll have to work on it.
मैं किसी डॉक्टर से बात कर रही थी और वो बड़े हंस के कह रहे थे कि लोगों के अगर टेस्ट में नॉर्मल आ जाता है तो बड़े डिसअपॉइंट हो जाते हैं कि इसमें कुछ निकला ही नहीं.
हाँ, डॉक्टर की फीस वेस्ट गई.
हाँ मतलब इट्स लाइक दैट. खुशी की बात है भाई कि कुछ नहीं निकला.
But people hesitate from getting tested. And कई बार ऐसा होता है that I tell them कि टेस्ट करवाओ and they just vanish. And that's good for me, because I do not want to deal with such people who do not take their health seriously.
Absolutely.
So when the tests are there, you know what you're lacking in, and then you're ready to work upon it. So the signs that our bodies speak to us, coming back to that, yes, it does speak to us. We just have a habit of not listening to it, especially to us. हम बाकी सबका सुन लेते हैं, सबका पता होता है, especially females, हमें पता होता है. Our daughter, when she comes back from school, she's a little pale. Our son, when he comes back from gym, he's like very sore and he's not eating much throughout the day. My husband is stressed and he's skipping his lunch. We all know, we all read all these signs. But when it comes to our own body, we are kind of numb. We choose to do it. The habit of procrastination comes only with practice, and it will be broken only with practice. एक बार तो पुश मारना पड़ेगा अपने आप। अगर मुझे कोई ये बोलता है कि मॉर्निंग में नहीं उठा जाता, कोई बात नहीं, कल फिर ट्राई करो। अगले दिन बोलता है नहीं उठा जाता, ऐसा क्या होता है जो नहीं उठा जाता? व्हाट टेल्स यू टू स्टे इन बेड? फाइंड आउट दोज रीजंस, वर्क अपॉन देम एंड गेट अप। यू ऑल्सो नो, अगर हम आज एक दिन मॉर्निंग में जल्दी उठते हैं, so that is the only way of setting our sleep cycle,
Yeah.
circadian rhythm.
Yeah.
आज मॉर्निंग में उठेंगे तो आज रात को या 2 दिन बाद रात को हम टाइम पे सोएंगे. This is
Yeah.
what we tell our kids, no?
बिल्कुल
कि रात को जाके मत पढ़ो, मॉर्निंग में पढ़ो, because that is a good time.
Yeah.
So वो बोलते हैं कि मम्मा नींद ही नहीं आती है रात को ही पढ़ने का मन करता है, तो हम उन्हें क्या समझाते हैं? ये समझाते हैं ना कि रोज उठने की प्रैक्टिस करो सुबह. रोज सुबह अपने आप को पुश करके उठोगे तो एक दिन रात को नींद आएगी. दिस इज हाउ योर साइकिल विल सेट. सो एक ना एक दिन आपको that one day comes when you have to decide that today I'll have to do this for myself. And also the availability of so many options that we give as a woman or as a mother to our whole household. इसको ये बना के देना है, उसको वो बना के देना है. That consumes us like anything. One diet plan doesn't fit all, but one menu, one meal fits all.
If it's right.
Exactly. And this is the question that I ask most of the women who come to me for weight loss and disease reversal. I don't ask them कि पहले I used to ask them आपको क्या खाना पसंद है, आप क्या खाओगे, आपकी डाइट में क्या डालें. आंसर नहीं मिलता था. They used to say मेरे हस्बैंड को तो वो पसंद है, मेरे मदर इन लॉ को तो वो पसंद है. And I used to tell them आपको क्या पसंद है. I've stopped asking this question now.
क्योंकि आंसर मिलता ही नहीं है.
Exactly. They've over the period of time they've forgotten what they like.
Yeah.
But now I ask them, what is generally cooked in your breakfast, in your household? Okay. So if there's a pattern, if there's a staple diet of parantha in their household, I'll tell them to eat parantha, but my own way. If there's a pattern of eating rajma chawal in their lunch, I'll tell them to eat rajma chawal no matter what disease they have, even if they're diabetic, but in my own way. So this makes cooking hassle easier. This makes the variety of food limiting to one meal. And these are the mostly liked meals and mostly common staple meals in every household. And this brings their workload to the minimum. And that's how they can find time for themselves.
मैंने सिर्फ ये कहा कि मैं बहुत टायर्ड फील हो रहा है. अब आप कि कौन से एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर्स खुल जाएंगे, लाइक बिकॉज यू नीड टू नो कि टायर्डनेस आ कहाँ से रही है. सो हाउ वुड यू इवैल्यूएट अ पर्सन्स टायर्डनेस?
See, I evaluated for myself at first, and I don't tell the client. I first evaluate it through the blood work. This is why I get the blood work done. So let's figure out the physical tiredness and the reasons behind it.
So what the blood work should contain?
It should have your iron profile. It must have your lipid profiles. It must have your thyroid profile. It must have your HbA1c. That is your 3 months का average sugar. That tells कि आपके पिछले 3 months में आपने क्या क्या किया है sugar in terms of sugar. How is your body reacting to insulin?
Sure.
So and there are a few more like B12,
CBC.
D3. Yeah. So that comes in iron profile and the so these are very important for especially for women, and for men there are added 2 or 3.
Like
one is testosterone, total testosterone.
Yeah.
If they're not building up muscle and if they have acute stress. So this is the test that I get done, and coming up and being open about that. You're not, there are certain things that you cannot speak to a woman about or a nutritionist about. I see that in the blood
test.
work. Yeah, and then comes cortisol. 90% लोगों का cortisol, the stress hormone, is shooted up.
Yeah,
and the reason why I get it done is when I ask somebody, if I ask you to rate your stress levels from 1 to 10. आप 1 सेकंड में पूछोगे ना, they would say नहीं कुछ खास नहीं है, 2 या 4 होगा. But if you give them time, they'll think and they'll say 10 से भी ज़्यादा.
Yeah.
And people who do not agree, उनके सामने लाने के लिए that the stress is the major cause behind all your troubles, मुझे वो टेस्ट करवाना पड़ता है, the cortisol levels.
So the cortisol test becomes primary in that case.
So
this is one conversation.
This is one type of exhaustion that we're trying to rule out in the test and the blood work. कि ये कहाँ से आ रहा है? Is it deficiency caused?
Yeah.
Is it absorption issue caused, or is it your diet issues caused? So the tiredness जो आप daily के chores करते हो उसकी वजह से आती है, that's physical tiredness.
Right.
Second is your mental tiredness. The things that you're dealing up with mentally, your suppressed thoughts. The signs are brain fogging. The signs are disorientation. The signs are indecisiveness. The signs are anxiety, depression later on.
Yeah.
But ये किस root cause से आ रहा है? Primarily deficiencies. You won't believe, D12, D3 and iron. Only these three deficiencies can make you suspected for depression, low mood swings, feeling disoriented, सारा दिन कुछ भी करने का मन नहीं. ये 3 deficiencies अगर आपके प्रोफाइल में है ना, so आपको डिप्रेशन है ये समझ लो. But what if you fix them? You're out of depression.
Yeah. What is this city life doing to our body, health, mind?
It's leaving us very less productive time. Productive in terms of our work, productive in terms of taking care of our bodies. But again, it's all about planning. Half an hour waking up early in the morning, you can plan a lot of things more. You can carry foods with you. You can, walk sometime towards your office. You can, step back, थोड़ा पहले उतर जाओ अपनी कैब से अपनी कार से और कुछ अपना स्टेप्स पूरे कर लो. तो ये सब प्रायोरिटाइज करने पे डिपेंड करते हैं. वांट टू डू इट और यू डोंट वांट टू डू इट. जस्ट कमिंग आउट ऑफ योर कंफर्ट जोन. हाँ, प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. सिटी ट्रैफिक ज़्यादा है. देयर इज लॉट ऑफ पोल्यूशन दैट्स कॉजिंग. कितना इफेक्ट कॉज कर रहा है वो हमारी हेल्थ पे, अभी तक उसका ना तो रिसर्च और ना डाटा पेपर पे आया है. जिस दिन आ गया ना, आई वुड टेल यू द पोल्यूशन दैट वी आर टेकिंग इन, और उसके साथ हम उसको एक्सेप्ट करके चले जा रहे हैं. ये सबसे गलत कर रहे हैं एज ह्यूमंस.
बट
इसका जो
हेल्पलेसनेस
इफेक्ट
है ना.
नहीं, हेल्पलेसनेस नहीं है, अवेयरनेस की कमी है. वी जस्ट डोंट वांट टू टॉक अबाउट इट. वी जस्ट डोंट वांट टू नो द डाटा. वी आर सेइंग पोल्यूशन है, पोल्यूशन है, पोल्यूशन है. इतने टाइम से कोल्ड कफ है, जा ही नहीं रहा. क्यों नहीं जा रहा? आस्क क्वेश्चंस.
सो मैं किसी और से बात कर रही थी और उन्होंने कहा कि क्वेश्चंस पूछ के भी क्या होगा, क्योंकि सिटी को तो हम अपने लेवल पे चेंज नहीं कर पाते. तो हमने क्वेश्चंस पूछे, हमने बोला ये क्यों हो रहा है, ये क्यों हो रहा है, ये क्यों हो रहा है. बट जवाब में और आप मेरी ये सिटी ठीक कर सकते हो ना मैं ठीक कर सकती हूँ, तो इट जस्ट बिकम्स अ गॉसिप कि हमने 10 मिनट बैठ के हल्के हल्के में बातें कर ली एंड देन वी बोथ के सर अच्छा लाइक फाइन यार क्या कर सकते हैं, और फिर हम दोनों उठ के चले जाएंगे.
टॉक विदाउट एक्शन इज गॉसिप ओनली. Until we take an action. आप मुझे बताओ, अभी मैं आपको बोलूँ किटी का ग्रुप स्टार्ट करते हैं, ठीक है? आई थिंक 2-3 घंटे में 15 फीमेल्स तो ऐड हो जाएंगी हमारे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे. ऐसे ही एंटी पोल्यूशन ग्रुप क्यों नहीं स्टार्ट कर सकते? वो 15 फीमेल्स में कोई तो कनेक्टेड होगा किसी ऐसे इन्फ्लुएंशियल बंदे से जो इसमें कोई थोड़ा बहुत चेंज या थोड़ा बहुत इग्नाइट कर सकेगा एक स्पार्क को. आज 15, कल 50, फिर 150. वाई नॉट सच अ किटी ग्रुप फॉर कॉज? सो ये बहुत ज़रूरी है करना. और अगर हम ये नहीं कर रहे हैं आज, leave pollution aside, there are so many other things that we are ignoring.
Security, all of that.
वो कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर आने की बात है. चाहे वो फूड हो, चाहे वो आज हमें करना है, हमें सब कुछ पता और नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन हो. बहुत सारे ऐसे इश्यूज होते हैं. हम मतलब जानबूझ के आंखें बंद कर लेते हैं.
क्या मुझे ऑनेस्टली लगता है कि लाइक वो जो एक हिंदी में कहावत है कि ना पड़ी नहीं है, जब तक हमारे लिटरली हमारे सर पे आके कोई ऐसा बड़ा चीज नहीं हो रहा होता ना जिससे कि बिल्कुल आपकी लाइफ इन डेथ सिचुएशन नहीं हो जाती, पता नहीं हम ज्यादातर लोग
2-4 हादसों से इतनी बड़ी सिटी नहीं हिलती.
हाँ,
जब तक इट डजंट बिकम एन एपिडेमिक और अ पैंडेमिक, लोग हिलते नहीं है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जिम में मेन पास अवे, वो क्या उसके पीछे कॉज है? कोई जिम को ब्लेम करता है, कोई प्रोटीन पाउडर्स को ब्लेम करता है. 2-4 डेथ्स 1-1.5-2 महीने में आप सुन लेते हो. यू जस्ट इग्नोर इट,
कुछ फर्क नहीं
एंड यू
पड़ता.
स्टार्ट फॉलोइंग द सेम पैटर्न. नोबडी गोज बिहाइंड इट कि क्या रीजन था, क्या चीज़ मेरे हस्बैंड को या मेरे बच्चे को इस हादसे से बचा सकती है. वी डोंट डिवेल्व इनटू दैट. वी जस्ट प्रेफर टू गॉसिप ऑन द सरफेस लेवल.
हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हमारे साथ नहीं होगा,
सबके साथ सब कुछ हो सकता है.
फिर ये
So I read about a data जिसमें मैंने ये पढ़ा था कि in 5 years there would be cancer in every household because of this pollution. The heavy amount of toxins that we are inhaling every day, उसका 5 साल में आके आपको इफेक्ट नजर आएगा. जैसे हम कोविड के टाइम पे कहते थे कि कोविड के वैक्सीन लिए हैं, क्या किया है, उसके बाद इतने ज्यादा बड़े अमाउंट में लोगों के लिपिड प्रोफाइल्स खराब आ रहे हैं, और वो आ रहे हैं. कार्डियक अरेस्ट बहुत ज्यादा हो रहे हैं.
यू थिंक इट इज कनेक्टेड?
इट इज कनेक्टेड, बट इट इज ऑल्सो कनेक्टेड कोविड के टाइम पे जहाँ कुछ लोगों ने हेल्थ को प्रायोरिटी कर बना दिया, ऐसे ही कई देयर इज अ बिग चंक ऑफ पीपल जिन्होंने ये सोचा कि कुछ भी करने से कुछ नहीं होता, वो तो बहुत हेल्दी था, कोविड में वो चला गया, एंड दे बिकम वेरी इजी ऑन देयर हेल्थ. चलो सब कुछ खाओ पियो, इट्स ओके, खा पी के जाएंगे. सो वो वाला कैटेगरी
भी उल्टा हो गया है.